Welcome. I'm Rony. Let me ask you something. An honest question. Have you been learning English for months, maybe years, but still feel stuck? You study, you try, you want to improve, but something is holding you back. You understand English when you read, but when you try to speak, words disappear. You listen to podcasts, you watch videos, but your speaking doesn't get better. If this sounds like you, today's episode is for you, because I'm going to tell you the real reason you're not improving in English, and more importantly, how to fix it. So, take a deep breath, relax, and listen carefully. This could be the most important lesson you ever hear. Let's begin. Here's the truth, and it might hurt a little. You're not improving, not because you're not smart, not because you're not trying, but because you're learning the wrong way. Most English learners make three big mistakes, that keep them stuck for years. Let me tell you what they are. Mistake number 1, you study grammar more than you speak. You spend hours learning rules, present perfect, past continuous, conditionals. You want to speak perfectly, so you study and study and study. But here's the secret. Children don't study grammar, and they learn to speak perfectly. How? They speak. They make mistakes. They try again. They don't wait to be perfect, they just speak. And that's what you need to do too. You already know enough grammar to have a conversation. You just don't believe it. Stop studying grammar and start speaking. That's how you improve. Mistake number 2. You translate in your head. Someone asks you a question, and in your mind, you hear your language first. Then you translate to English. By the time you're ready to speak, the conversation has moved on. You feel slow, you feel stuck, you feel frustrated. But here's the thing, translation is a habit, and habits can be broken. You can train your brain to think in English without translating. Name things in English, talk to yourself in English, describe what you're doing in English. At first, it feels strange. Your brain wants to translate, but keep going. After a few weeks, something changes. Words start coming naturally. You don't have to think, they just come. Mistake number 3. You're not consistent. You study for 3 hours on Sunday, then nothing for the rest of the week. Then next Sunday, you study again for 3 hours. This doesn't work. Your brain needs daily practice, even a little, every day. 10 minutes a day is better than 3 hours once a week, because your brain learns through repetition, daily repetition. 1 hour on Sunday gives your brain 1 input. 10 minutes every day gives your brain 7 inputs. Which one do you think works better? You know the answer. So now you know the 3 mistakes. Let me tell you how to fix them. 1. Speak more. Study grammar less. Make mistakes. That's how you learn. 2. Train your brain to think in English. Stop translating. Start thinking. 3. Be consistent. 10 minutes every day, not 3 hours once a week. You can do this. I know you can. But here's the most important thing, the thing you need to remember. You are not stuck. You are not failing. You are just learning the wrong way. And now you know the right way. So what are you waiting for? You have everything you need inside you. The words, the ability, the brain. You just need to believe that you can do it. And I believe in you more than you know. Think about why you started learning English. Think about your dream, your goal, your future. Picture yourself speaking English confidently, without fear, without hesitation. That person is waiting for you, and that person is closer than you think. All you have to do is change the way you learn. Speak more. Think in English. Be consistent. That's it. That's the secret. No magic, no shortcut, just these 3 things. Start today, right now, not tomorrow, not next week, today. Open your mouth and speak. 1 sentence, that's all. And then another and another. This is how you improve. This is how you grow. This is how you become fluent. I believe in you. I really do. Keep going. Keep speaking. Keep believing. This was Learning with Rony. I'm Rony, your English learning partner, your biggest supporter. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.